Hello students, it's Nazia Begum here welcoming you all in today's class. So today is our last online class. Okay, so today I am going to give you some assignment questions. And these assignment questions are compulsory to each and everyone. Okay, and whatever questions I have given, they all are related to the lectures which we have uploaded. Okay, so I want you all to visit each and every lecture so that you can solve these questions. And some general instructions which I want to tell you is that whatever lectures for these online classes we have uploaded in our school website, they all will be available till 10th of June. So if you have missed any lecture, you can go visit the website and see that lecture. Okay, and you will get the attendance of that particular day. Class 6th to 12th, the class starts from 7th April to 30th April. So all that lectures are available there. For class 3 to 5, class started from 13th April and ended 30th. And for class 2, classes starts from 20th April and ends at 30th April. So all the lectures which we have uploaded from 7 April, from 7th April to 30th April, all the lectures are available on website. You go watch that lectures and try to solve these questions. Okay, so let me once read all the question for you. First one, define electric dipole moment, write its SI unit. Second one, which orientation of an electric dipole in a uniform electric field would correspond stable equilibrium. Third, a charge Q is placed at the center of a cube of side L. What is the electric flux passing through each face of this cube? Fourth one, what is the force between two small charges of 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb placed 30 centimeter apart in air? Fifth, why should be electrostatic field be 0 inside a conductor? Sixth, a spherical conducting shell of inner radius r1 and outer radius r2 has a charge capital Q. A charge small q is placed at the center of the shell. A. What is the surface charge density on the first inner surface? Second, outer surface of the shell. B part of 6th question. Write the expression for the electric field rise at a point x is greater than r2 from the center of the shell. 7th, a thin, straight, infinitely long conducting wire having charge density lambda is enclosed by a cylindrical surface of radius r and length L. Its axis coinciding with the length of the wire. Find the expression for the electric flux through the surface of the cylinder. 8th one, an electric dipole is held in a uniform electric field. First, show that the net force acting is 0. Second, the dipole is aligned to the field. Find the work done in rotating it through the angle of 180 degree. 9th question, given a uniform electric field E equals to 5 into 10 to the power 3 unit vector I Newton per Coulomb. Find the flux of this field through a square of 10 centimeter on a side whose plane is parallel to the YZ plane. What would be the flux through the same square if the plane makes a 30-degree angle with the x-axis? So students, in this question number 9, the value of E is given 5 into 10 to the power 3 vector I Newton per Coulomb. So here direction is also given in form of unit vector. So this is one hint for you. So after this, by simply applying the formula of flux, you can find out the field. Okay. 10th question. State Gauss's theorem in electrostatics. Apply this theorem to derive an expression for electric field intensity at a point outside a uniformly charged thin spherical shell. 11th one. Derive the expression for electric field at a point on the equatorial line of an electric dipole. Second, depict the orientation of the dipole in A. Stable, B. Unstable equilibrium in a uniform electric field. And the last question, define electric flux, write its SI unit. Second, derive an expression for the torque experienced by an electric dipole kept in a uniform electric field. Third, is electric flux a scalar quantity or vector? Explain. So, these are your assignment questions, students. You can pause them, pause the video and note them, or you can download the PDF from our school website. Okay. And once again, let me tell you that these assignment questions are compulsory for each and everyone. So you all please see the lectures and try to solve them. Okay. So finally today, goodbye, take care and do some productive work.